Hey boss, welcome back. So today's video I'm going to share with you another easy hairstyle, right? So I did this style in my past, but it was with perm hair, right? And this time I was like, after cutting off my hair, I have many styles on my mind, but which one can I start with? And I decided to try this out because it was a style I loved in the past. And at that time, I wasn't having YouTube yet, guys. So I can't promise you to go and watch any video about that. But I decided to try it on my natural hair this time and see what will come out. You know, sometimes when you have short hair, it's nice because if something doesn't work, you are going to wash it out very quickly. So I decided to try it out with my short natural hair and see what will come out, right? So first of all, I wet my hair with water, just a simple water, and I moisturize it so that it wouldn't crack with gel. You know, I had so many breakage when I was using my electric brush and it has damaged my hair a lot. As you can all see, after I've cut my hair, I have my natural hair looks healthy, right? So I'm going to do the game of gel now. And if the style doesn't work, just write it to me under the comment section. If it doesn't work, I'm just going to try out. Because as I said, in the past, I did it with perm hair. And this time, I'm just going to try it out, right? So please don't do it with your long hair because it is with so many gel, right? I'm going to use too much gel. If you have long hair, it is not, I don't advise you unless you want to do that. But as I said, when you have short hair, you can play any game you want at all because you are ready to wash it out, right? So let's do it. Don't forget to like this video. I love you all, guys. Until we meet in my next video. Mwah.
What you care about what people think about you? You have to learn one thing in life. You cannot love everybody and appreciate everybody, and it goes both ways. If you don't learn that now, you're gonna always be the fool of somebody. Live your life to the full. Everything you do, and as long as you don't hurt anybody and you're happy doing what you do, let them talk.